Welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving into the realm of precision in the kitchen with our guide to the best measuring spoons and cups. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. Join us as we review top-rated products, share expert insights, and uncover essential tips to perfect your recipes. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Simply Gourmet Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. These Simply Gourmet measuring cups offer durability and functionality ideal for frequent use. Crafted from a single piece of steel, they ensure longevity without cracks or seams that could trap materials. The engraved markings guarantee lasting visibility, even after repeated use and washing in the dishwasher. However, some users find the handles lacking in comfort due to their sharp edges and non-rounded design. Additionally, each handle features a convenient hole for hanging, whether on a wall or inside a cabinet, keeping them easily accessible. The accompanying measuring spoons share the same robust design, featuring a flat base to prevent spills and messes during use. Their sturdy handles are designed not to bend or break, ensuring reliability over time. Both the US standard measurements and metric equivalents are clearly engraved on each piece, making them universally readable and versatile for any recipe. In summary, this set combines durability with practical design elements, ensuring precise measurements and ease of use in any kitchen setting. Pros: durable stainless steel, engraved measurements to prevent wearing off, stackable for easy storage, dishwasher safe. Cons: relatively expensive. Number 2. Cook with Color Measuring Cup and Spoon Set. These striking measuring cups from Cook with Color are available in stainless steel, gold, or copper handles paired with vibrant plastic cups in trendy colors like lavender, mint, and pink, designed for both liquids and dry ingredients. They feature durable engraved markings that resist wear. The set includes 7 matching measuring spoons for comprehensive kitchen prep, 4 convenient storage. The cups nest neatly and include handle holes for optional hanging. Users rave about the aesthetic appeal, describing them as cute and beautiful, and appreciate their comfortable grip. However, some find them bulkier and larger than expected, which adds perceived sturdiness, but may be cumbersome for others. Cook with Color's lavender set of measuring cups and spoons adds a splash of color to your kitchen tools while maintaining essential functionality. The smooth-edged, plastic cups and spoons with stainless steel handles feature sizes engraved in both US and metric measurements, ensuring clarity that won't fade over time. Number 3. U-Taste Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. The U-Taste measuring cups and spoons are crafted from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability superior to cheaper materials. Each cup stacks neatly inside the next for compact storage, facilitated by their graduated sizes. Both imperial and metric measurements are stamped on each piece, though the metric markings are somewhat small. These utensils are dishwasher safe, but also easy to clean by hand. The set includes removable rings for holding the cups and spoons together, featuring an easy-to-open closure opposite the hinge. The vibrant colors aid in quick size identification when stored in a drawer. The measurements are engraved on the handles, ensuring they remain legible over time without fading. The handles themselves are robust, contributing to the overall sturdy construction of the set. The cups and spoons are well formed with a smooth finish, free from rough edges, although users should take care when hand washing due to the slightly sharp edges. In summary, U-Taste offers reliable, durable measuring tools with clear markings and convenient storage options, suitable for both casual and professional kitchen environments. Number 4. KP Kitchen Stainless Steel Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. The KP Kitchen measuring cups and spoons are precision-engineered to US measurement standards, featuring clear and durable engravings both inside and outside each cup. The cups include multiple measurements on their sides, ensuring accuracy from top to bottom. The measuring spoons are conveniently housed on a sturdy D-ring, making them easy to use and store. Primarily designed for dry ingredients, these utensils are also suitable for measuring liquids. Thanks to their seamless one-piece construction that eliminates the risk of breakage, the markings are engraved to prevent fading over time, ensuring readability throughout their lifespan. Unlike competitors' sets typically offering 12 pieces, KP Kitchen provides a comprehensive set of 14, including less common measurements like the 1/8 cup and 3/4 teaspoon. In summary, KP Kitchen's measuring cups and spoons combine robust construction, accurate measurements, and a comprehensive set that meets both common and specialized kitchen needs with confidence. Key features: size markings won't disappear easily, durable and excellent quality. The spoons are very sturdy, neat and plentiful. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Measuring Cups and Spoons Set. Stainless steel measuring spoons may look sleek, but practical functionality often hinges on a secure grip. OXO addresses this issue by integrating a silicone handle, ensuring a firm hold even when hands are slippery from ingredients like olive oil, making tasks like scooping ground basil from small herb jars easier. Inspired by the design of gardening shovels, OXO's spoons feature a flat rim and an oval-shaped head to prevent excess spice from being scooped, minimizing waste. The overall contour of the spoon ensures it remains stable on flat surfaces without tipping to one side. For convenient storage, each spoon in the set is equipped with a handle designed to effortlessly slide into and out of a storage ring, keeping all 4 spoons together and preventing them from being misplaced. In essence, OXO's silicone-handled measuring spoons blend elegant design with practical usability, enhancing precision and efficiency in the kitchen while ensuring spices are measured accurately and handled with ease.